Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to give you a bookstore walkthrough and show you how to set up your account with Barnes & Noble College. To do so, you'll need to check a few different areas. First, you'll need to make sure that you are scheduled in classes. To do so, you will click on the MacU portal right here. This is often called the student portal as well. Once you click on this, then you will go to the Student Services tab in the top header row. If you follow that, then you will find your course schedule right here. This is just a test account that we don't have listed or scheduled at any courses, but if you are scheduled for classes, you'll see those courses listed here. Once you know you're scheduled for classes, then you should be able to go and set up your Barnes & Noble account. To do so, you'll go back to OneLogin and you'll click on Desire to Learn. Desire to Learn is where all of your classes will take place, but it's also the account that Barnes & Noble College will use to set up all your information and send you notifications whenever you have book vouchers ready or whenever you place an order on their site. So to set your password for your Barnes & Noble account and to find your username, you will go up here to this envelope, this message alerts, and once you click on that, then you will click on email. Barnes & Noble, once you are scheduled for classes and once they have created your account, they will send you an invitation to set your password, and it looks like this. Once you click on the title of that email, then one thing I like to recommend to students is you can actually copy and paste your username right here. This is different from your general MacU email, which is your my.macu.edu. This one is connected to your classroom, so it is Desire to Learn, so d2l.macu.edu. That's your username for the bookstore. To set your password, you will go down here to the actual body of the email, and you'll click this link. You'll set your very own password for your Barnes & Noble College account. Once you have those two things, once you have your password set up and once you have your username written down, then you can go back to Desire to Learn, or you can go to the Services and Support dropdown and click on the bookstore right here. This link will always take you directly to the bookstore website, but if you want OneLogin to save your username and your password, then if you hover over the tile in OneLogin, you can hit Edit and enter your credentials right here. Once OneLogin saves those, then you can just come back and click on this tile and have access to their website. Once you access the site, it looks like this. This landing page will show any outstanding orders that you have at the moment. This is just a test account, so it's not going to show everything that you will see in yours. But to order your textbooks for your class, you will go to Menu, and you will click on Order Your Materials. Once you click on this, your site will list the actual books required for your class. I'm just going to pretend on this account like we are in this Principles of Accounting course. Yours will show this page right here. It'll just list all the classes that you are scheduled for and the required textbooks for each of them. You'll know which texts are required by this red highlight right there that says it's a required text. Over on the right hand side, you can choose your options on if you want to buy a printed version. Sometimes they have rentals, sometimes they sell new or used. But you just choose your option and you can click Add Selected to Cart. Once you add the book to your cart or the books to your cart, you can just go to Proceed to Checkout and then follow the steps on the page. My recommendation is always to make sure that you have the required text that you need for your classes. Then once you know that your cart is correct, you go to Checkout Now, and there will be 4 final steps to place your order with Barnes & Noble College. These are just like every other online vendor. Just enter your shipping and billing address, your shipping method, your payment options, and this step 3 is where if you qualify for a book voucher and have that code, this is where you can enter that information. And then the final step is to review and submit your order. Once you have submitted your order, you will get a confirmation email to your Desire to Learn email address where you initially set up your account password. If you have any questions or run into issues setting up your Barnes & Noble account, please give us a call in the Solution Center at 877-569-3198.